Oh, we couldn't have just tried that, right? We couldn't have just tried to stream with the SLI 1080 Ti's, right? We had to just thread rip it. I don't know, they talk about different encoding for different things. So like as a gamer, you would probably want to encode with the GPUs, and then what I do, something like what I do, you want to encode with the Threadripper. But look at this, the 1080 Ti's that are SLI, they're Super Saiyan, and they are fused together, is outperforming the living crap. Look at this. There's nothing different about what I'm doing besides changing the encoding the GPUs. That's crazy, dude. So now my CPU usage is at like 20% right now while live with everything going on. RAM's at 39%, no problem there. I did. Oh my god, David, are you watching this, dude? That was my problem, man. Just streaming, encoding with the Threadripper, dude. I can't believe this. So what do I even do with the Threadripper now? Alright. That was my audio levels. Things could have gotten screwed. I had to hard restart my computer. Whatever, man. Okay. It's crazy, bro. Maybe it's what happened. Hopefully you just got that. What's up, Robert Kirk, Jen Styles, MK. I don't know, MK, man, dude, it's do or die time, alright? Earnings seem pretty good, man. Market sentiment for their earnings is good. I mean, most assets that have had earnings have beaten expectations, or if they haven't, they've had good guidance. So, MK, yeah, man, remember, partial rise, partial decline. Let's see how Bulkowski's stuff works out for it. Look, my god, man, this is so smooth. You've got to be kidding me, dude. Oh my god, it's like I'm not even streaming right now, y'all. David! Anyway, so yeah, right here, sorry, this didn't save. I'm just gonna get rid of that so you didn't get too crowded. But look, people are like, what's all the lines, man? What the fibs, dude? Well, you got confluence areas. I mean, one, you're kind of at a confluence area. That's why we failed twice to break it. Again, decibel check, audio check, chat, please. Thanks. So within the 165 to 166.59 area confluence, also another big confluence area, 169.50 to 170, and then you got another one at the 886 and 1272. All right, but confluence, right? The meeting of two rivers. You use, in this case, what's relevant, two different swing highs, the same swing low. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just telling my IT guy, I can't even believe it, man. I can't even believe this was it, dude. So no longer are we ever going to utilize that thread. The Threadripper is just going to be there to process whatever. I mean, yeah, Gogeta, exactly. Gogeta, the SLI TIs, yep. Threadripper, yeah, dude. It is. Now it can be what we would call the most expensive paperweight out there. Okay. Is this good, Derek? I know you can't probably tell. You know, people were saying it's not really noticeable on y'all's side, but on my side, I can't even chart. I can't look. When I had the CPU up, I couldn't even. When I hit delete on something, it would take like 2 seconds for it to actually delete on my screen. Like unworkable. Okay. Yeah, Pundy bit jacks. Yeah, let's go all in on Pundy right now, together. Okay. Okay, I just went from 1980s technology to 2019 tech. All right. J-Talks, that sounds good. Okay, great, whatever. Awesome, good, because last time I started talking, I didn't. Just AMD winner of the day, though. Yep, Jeff, man. ACIU, not so much, down 66%. Yikes. $11 to $3.65. Titty coin on the NASDAQ. Titty coin of the NASDAQ. That's it. ACIE. Let's take a look at it. Probes isn't in here, I don't think. He just texted me. What is that? AC Immune SA? South America? Something? Okay, man. Alright, here's your... This is actually on the NASDAQ? What? It didn't show up on my movers list. No way, dude. AC Immune SA is... Oh, no. Let me find out. It is on the NASDAQ, okay. Wow, that's weird.
Can we look at PayPal, Lord? Pipple.
Pipple? Yeah, we can look at Pipple, dude. Alright. I changed my audio while I was at it. Irwin Coffee, man. Thanks to the Irwin Coffee in the jar. And big shout out to Zachary. Zachary gave me that sound bite. And I said, you know what, man? If the world's imploding, might as well just, you know, add to the complexity of the situation. Alright, with sound effects. Okay, yes. Hey, you just utilize PayPal. Notice that, man? Not fun. Yeah, broke that triangle, remember? We thought, hey man, might have been a little risk area, but nah, man. Dude, PayPal is hitting like all-time highs. Wow. How beautiful is that? You'd think there's almost some harmonic type stuff going on, but too weird with the bottoms. Here's your Pipple, okay? So what are we doing? We're hitting the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel. Look, we have an upsloping channel here, okay? Bottom, support, upsloping resistance, okay? So looking at the parameters, you got some heartline respect as a support, as a resistance, resistance. Dude, it's perfect, man. But we know about those, right? Hey, who knows, man? This could be your good old-fashioned Walmart doing this on a much larger time scale. Anyway, dude, PayPal, yeah, dude. PayPal's doing fine, man. We got earnings coming up. The 30th. Okay, oh, that's today. Did they report today? Let's look it up, man. Let's talk about it. Okay, PayPal falls as revenue meets expectations. 2019 outlook light. Okay. Dude, this is crazy, man. My PC's like supercomputer now. Like, after just that, really? Are you kidding? Okay, so let's go to it real quick. Okay. PayPal holdings. Oh, that's loud. I can tell that's loud. Hold on a second. See, it's weird, man. Okay, that should be it. Okay. PayPal reported December quarter sales that met expectations, but forecast 2019 revenue short of analyst estimates. PayPal stock fell in after-hours trading. PayPal is down. Oh wow, yeah, 3.67%. So currently sitting at $89.03. All right, $89.03. That's unfortunately, y'all, that's below the heart line, right below it, man. PayPal said adjusted fourth quarter earnings were 69 cents a share, up 26% from 1 year ago, with revenue rising 13% to $4.23 billion. Profit edged analyst estimates while revenue met expectations. A year earlier, PayPal earned 55 cents a share on sales of $3.74 billion. Analysts expected PayPal to report earnings of 67 cents on sales of $4.24 billion for the period ended December 31st. Excuse me. For fiscal 2019, PayPal said it expects revenue in a range of 17.85 billion and to 18.1 billion. Analysts had projected sales of 18.04 billion, ahead of the midpoint of PayPal's projection. Wow, man. Okay, let's see. PayPal steps up its acquisitions. Shares in the digital payments processor fell 4.4%. Wow. To 88.36, and after our trading, yep, we got as low as that. We're back up a little bit. PayPal is ranked number 35 in the IBD 50 roster of growth stocks. PayPal stock had gained 10% from a year ago as of Wednesday's market close. Wow. Okay, so anyway, that's really just going into Pipple, right, as the TTS would call it. Sweet. So yeah, dude, down to 89.10 right now. What, really? Currently, after hours, trading at 89.10, right? All the way back down, wiped out all the gains for most of the month of January, right? Since we're 20 days of gains wiped out on one earnings miss, okay? Or in line, right? It was just, you know, dude, it's all, you know, market perceptions about what's in it for me next, right? What are you worth in the future, not what are you worth literally right now, okay? If you're in line, a lot of times it's not gonna, market won't take too well to it, okay? You'll just drop some, okay? But you know, you saw some active bearish divergence on the 4-hour time scale, probably on the daily too. Not really, right? Not really at all. I mean, you could call that bearish divergence, but that's not really a swing low, just a little pivot. So yeah, 4-hour could have helped you see that we might have been selling off, but dude, earnings are a coin flip, man. Okay, coin flip. So we just couldn't break that 75% trend line of the equidistant channel. All right, dude, this is insane. The so smooth, man. Oh my god. Erwin Coffee Kangs. Erwin Coffee, Erwin Coffee, Erwin Coffee. There you go. Back to the dumpster fire. ACIU down 65, 66%. Hey man, it's up 5% after hours. Oh my god. No real structure here. Like none, dude. Okay, what are we gonna do this, man? Do you really want to do it? I guess we can. It doesn't really matter because we're out. We're out, dude. It's actually okay. Holy crap, man. Huh. Okay, what are we at? RSI? 4-hour RSI sitting at 14. Second largest spike of negative momentum ever. All right. Hey, look at this nice little ascending scallop. Dumped. All right. Wow. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. Dude, I'm just like enjoying the crap out of not having to worry about. It was one click of a button, right? And now everything's wonderful again. Okay. Bueller. Yeah, you want to, let's go to, sorry, just plug something. Yeah, alright. So let's go to what someone was asking for. Just a minute ago. Derek on Fire wanted some Activision Blizzard. Why not? Dumpster fire, right? Alright, so this thing had a nice, beautiful uptrend. It broke out bearishly. It was terrible, man. Just when it rains, it pours. Not only did it have, you know, has it betrayed its customers, its longtime loyal fan base. Many good franchises, you know, with BlizzCon, with employees leaving, a lot of employees leaving Activision, and them getting rid of, what's his name? Moraine or whatever, pushing him out. You know, it's just been really bad with the macros selling off so much. It's gotten very little help, hasn't it? Very little help. It's not been retracing at all, really, right? Like a lot of assets. So, you know, we're out of that nice uptrend, but now look, I just drew these golden trend lines because these are just like critical little historical supports, right? We broke one, screwed. Okay, this one's screwed. Now we have this one, and we're actually out of it right here. Not going too well, is it? So, I mean, what kind of structure is that? You know, we broke it down sloping channel, and we're kind of making higher lows than our previous low. Somewhat, right? Yo, it's crazy, dude. Wow. It's almost like... Oh, crap.
DJI Daily 0.618 retrace. 200 AMA and overhead resistance from top. Never got the chance to short Bitcoin from the top, but I think this may do.
Oh, sorry. Hey, Johnny Bullman, thanks for 333 repeating, of course. Yeah, dude, I mean, like, look, the rally has been going on for like a month now. Over a month now. We're going on 5 weeks after that intense selling. We're still making, yeah, retraces like you're talking about. Golden retrace from the major swing high. Look, man, the rally's nice, but, dude, you're just in common retrace zone. That's it. Yeah, you're right, dude. Okay. You're right. We'll go to Dow Jones right after this. Okay, right after Activision. Did we see here a nice little cipher of some sort? It almost looks like it. Hold on. Not quite. Didn't quite get there, did we? Not for that one. Jeez, dude. You want to see something crazy, man? Wow. Bearish cipher much? Like a perfect cipher. X to, you know, X to A. We retraced 50% of the way. We sold off between the 1272 and the 1618. And then we rallied and ran and hit a 78.6% retrace, man. That was it. 382, 618 all hit. Alright, so there's that. Played out well. We gapped down, and we've still been unable to fill this gap. The gap that's up at like $50. So below that critical upsloping old support, now it's being used as a resistance, right? Yeah. So, but the golden retrace is 43.27. We have not really touched it. We got close, man. We got very, very close, but just not quite. Where's the rally? Where's the retrace? We're not really getting it. We're just kind of going sideways after that little cipher. Okay, little cipher pattern. So yeah, there you go, Derek, man. It's not rallying the way we would want it to, right? The way the market's been rolling. Oh yeah, am I supposed to do this, man? Is this what 80's people do? Do they do this stupid stuff, man? Do they do this? Hey man, hey dude, I got my pop collar. I've got my pop collar. I feel like I'm homeless right now. Okay. What's up, William Battles, dude? Lou Patient to low. Thanks, man. Mobius says 3.5 gigahertz is slow as F for encoding, especially when you're talking about some software that uses 4 cores. Oh, so you're saying OBS doesn't really go more than 4 cores or something? A jean jacket, man. I gotta go to like Salvation Army or something tomorrow to get that. Okay, I'm running out of 80's stuff. to where? Okay, here. NVIDIA's GPUs have hardware in them special for encoding. Well, there you go, dude. It's like the magic button, the click. It clicked, man, right? When you're learning about Fibonacci, or you're learning about harmonics, you're learning about patterns and measure moves and all these different things, and divergence and coinciding variables, man. It'll just eventually click. That's the way it feels like my PC just did when I changed the encoding to the GPUs. Ridiculous. It's much smoother, Captain Happy. It's over, man. It's over. We've just won the ball game. Completely won the ball game. Okay. No need for my IT guy to even come over if this is the way it's going to be, dude. Seriously. Now, I got to figure out a way to utilize the Threadripper.
Thanks, man.
Hey, Derek, man. Thanks for the 333 repeating, of course. Much love, dude. Okay. Get him a body bag. Okay. Those scum MK men, that's right, dude. We will destroy them. Yeah, dude, Stellar, man, it's awesome, dude. Hey, what's up, in the Pond Cowboy? Origato, man. You love the mind. Man, me that's my good #1 TV show. China in that respect, the work you put into the 80s theme stuff. You personally know how hard it is to maintain your whole stream. It's insane. Yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate it, dude. A lot of people would just say, hey, what I do is so easy. I don't know, man. It's tough, okay? Because it's like, you got to keep things organic. You got to change things. You got to just keep reinvesting. Because I want people to keep showing up. I want them to keep coming back, right? And if crypto is not going to do it, maybe 80s theme will somehow do it or something, right? Whatever, dude. Hey, education, you know, news. Just keep adding nice little layers of complexity to the stream. It's really nice, man. The Tetris effect is so loud, man. Christopher, yeah, I hear that, dude. The only way I can change it now is like between streams. Mr. Hammond, dude, I'm sorry about that. I will. It's actually Mario powering up, but Christopher, dude, thanks so much, dude, for the feedback. I will turn it down. You got my word before the next stream, okay? Might boost my PC even more, Captain. Did you send them to me in Discord? You should join Discord, Captain Happy. Okay, I've built relationships with more and more IT Kangs. Okay, it's nice. All right, having like connections to y'all because yeah, I mean, what's a community if we don't help each other and stuff? Daniel was the real bully. He was Cover Crypto, dude. What's up with the whole water thing? In the dance. Come on, man. He was just asking for it. Hey, let's go to the Dow Jones Industrial. Alright, we're still waiting. We're still waiting for 25,512. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get out a little bit more. Okay, but we're looking for that 886, dude. You're talking about 888. We're just going to leave it there, man. Yeah, the 200 MA on the 4 hours. Let's go to the daily real quick. This is just another one of your. This is not the bearish cipher. This is the bearish bat pattern. Okay, all criteria met. Okay, now we're just waiting for an 886 retrace. We're very close from X to A. Up there around that 886 fib net, of course, right? 25,512. My IT guy says Threadripper should be able to handle everything you're doing. He wants to see what games run like on the 1080 Ti SLI. I need to download Shadow of War, maybe Diablo 3 or something, try them out. Download Skyrim and the high resolution texture packages so we can see what it's like. Yeah, but dude, 2K, I only have a 2K monitor. I have not buckled down and gotten a 4K monitor yet, so. Okay. So we're waiting, dude. We wait like we waited on Bitcoin for an entry at 33.42 for the Gartley. We could wait for an entry for a short position at 25.42 on the Dow Jones. Okay. That's it. What's up, Lord Dumpington, man? Rafi. Glad you're learning from the streams. Good. Yeah, the Fed can manipulate it. What's the answer? What's the good of TA? I think TA still has its place, man. All right. All over the place. All right. So, for instance, here, you know, my dad killed it today. Royal Caribbean Cruises Limited. Why did it not save? Of course it didn't save, man. What a joke. Watch this, man. This is your cipher. Potential cipher. Trying to get there, man. All right. Next day, retrace 45%. Broke down to nearly a 1618. Rallied up 786. Waited for the 786 around 126. So maybe a little bit more room to run, but we gapped up hardcore on earnings. But remember, high, lower high, possible lower high after that, lower lows than your previous lows. Get it, man? So the trend has quite possibly already reversed, and we're setting up for a beautiful pattern that has been in development since September 20th, 2018. Huge cipher, potential cipher pattern. Look to the 786 for the short. One could have they wanted. Royal Caribbean Cruises. Congrats, Dad, if you're watching. He doesn't watch, but there you go, man. RCL. Wow. I'm telling you, man, these ciphers, learn the harmonics, but before you learn the harmonics, master the Fibonacci, okay? Whether in the live stream comments, okay, Captain. We'll see, MK, man. We'll see how it plays out. It's all good, dude. It's just a trade setup, right? That's all it is. It's just these harmonics are just like falling wedges. They're just like, you know, ascending triangles, broadening bottoms, whatever. They're just other ones, but they're pretty reliable. And so we're going to see what happens when we hit an 88.6% retrace after making consecutive lower highs and lower lows. All right. Put a custom water cooling loop on it. Talking about on the NZXT. What you talking about, Willis, man? The chat is not. Oh yeah, because Restream's not open. My God, man. Sorry. Let's see what happens, dude. I didn't use it because like I can't do. You know what happens sometimes randomly when you're. I don't know. It's not like working. That's why I closed out of it. It's not working. Something went wrong. Is it breaking? Dude, get out of here. It's like my stuff is not connected on Restream now. It's so weird. It like broke or something when I had to restart my PC. I'm gonna have to go to restream.com. Dude, it's saying that they're connected, but they're not. And it's showing my viewers, it's showing everything, except it's not showing chat. Huh. I don't know, man. It's like broken, dude. Like, it's like things just break sometimes when you have to hard restart your PC. But it shouldn't be an issue anymore. Okay, no more. I just love it. It's so freaking smooth, y'all. Okay. What else we got going on with the harmonic world? Oh, you want to see a gold? What is it? The gold to the Australian? Well, let's see. What was the ticker here? It is. Y'all look at this. Insane right here. Huge ascending triangle. But wait.
You are good medicine man. I am all for TA on crypto and stocks as well. Keep up the great work.
Hey, Bob Fieldman, thanks for the 1776 elite contribution there, Erwin Coffee in the jar. But it's very patriotic, man. That boy good. Good and terrible. All right, thanks, dude. Bob Kang. Just trying to look at something real quick. Is this some sort of potential? Yeah, it's not a crab, because the crab's the lower low. Where's the higher low? Here we go. The bearish butterfly, possibly. Hold on, give me a sec. There it is, maybe? No. Hold on. Good God, man. There's a lot of these, dude. This is why having this book is so valuable, dude. Seriously, it's extremely, extremely valuable. I'm gonna find it, man. Okay, I swear. You just hold on a sec. Found it, dude. Found it. Okay. Let's see if I can plot this example too after we look at it, okay? Alright, now tough, man. It's gonna be real tough here because I was looking at it and it seems like we might have retraced too high here in this situation. We're gonna mess around with it and just experiment, okay? Next day to B. 81% retrace, okay, but we're looking for a 78.6% retrace, very close. All right, retrace here between the 382 and the 886. All right, 70% retrace, right? And then we're looking for between a 1272 and a 1618, okay? Anywhere up there, so 1618 is going to be up at. Jeez, dude, 1618. All right, so this is the bearish butterfly, and I'll show you an example real quick of bearish butterfly. We'll get it up. There we go. Let's see if we can get this. Here it is. So you take a look on your screen. Criteria close to being met, right? And then we will look at the example, all right? So bearish butterfly, X day, the impulse. But then from A to B, when we retrace from X day, we retrace 78.6% of the way. We were close. I mean, 81%, that's in that ballpark, right? And then we break down. But from A to B, when we retrace, we're going to retrace between 38% and 88.6%. So from A to B, we retrace to 70%, right? 70% of the way. And then our large leg up between the 1272 and the 1618. We're rallying. I know we had this up here, so that could have been it. But let's see if this goes even higher, and we might get an area, right? That crazy ascending triangle. Maybe this is a good area where someone could short there, right? To make, you know, profit to the 382, you know, 382 here, 618 down here. All right, so there you have it, man. The bearish butterfly Kangs. See what happens. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. I can't even. Dude, Restream's broken, dude. I can't do anything about it. It's like literally busted completely. We're just gonna have to deal with it this stream, okay? Which is better, top 20 altcoins or gold? What is it, top 20? Is it like a tag team against gold? That's not really fair, right? But yeah, gold's probably better, right? I'm really looking for what has the best trend, right? All right, MK man. Well, we're right at that little estuary. Okay, the salt water and the fresh water. Okay. Air cooling is just so much simpler, dude. You know what I'm gonna do, Captain Happy? Maybe my 2020 reinvestment to the stream is gonna be a freaking mineral water cooled PC, dude. Okay, that's right. It's gonna look like a fish tank. Dude, Johnny, man, yeah, it's simply incredible right now. Oxy, you love the 80s theme, sound effect, a bit deafening. Yeah, I know, y'all. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry about the sound. I just didn't know it was going to be so loud. I didn't even really test it. I just went with it because I had to change up like 10 different variations with that audio clip. So now I got to go back and turn down the audio on 10 different variations. So, thanks, Matt Carl, dude. Someone water cooled their PS3. Did it work, Sticky E, man? And Captain Happy thinks water cooling is a gimmick or like a gimmick. Does anyone agree with that? What about having both, Captain Happy? That's pretty lit, right? Are the Bezos? So glad you enjoyed the bearish butterfly. What kind of fish? What are you talking about? Yeah, okay, if the air temp in the room is hot, water cooled helps. Some kind of sharks, maybe. Yeah, there's shark patterns. Shark patterns, harmonic. Okay. So mineral water, whatever it's called, mineral oil. Excuse me, mineral oil. No. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna get some mineral water. It's a lot cheaper than mineral oil, evidently. Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's freaking do it. Oh yeah, let me read what my IT guy said. What my friend said. It basically boils down to a difference between software encoding or hardware encoding. The new NVIDIA video cards like yours are special, and your configuration are going to handle the type of encoding we are doing very well. If you're trying to stream games, it may potentially have been too much, but I don't know about them with SLI. Tell your boy Mobius in the chat on the one who told you to swap to letting your GPU do the encoding. I'm sure we could have overclocked your Threadripper to 4 gigahertz, but it probably shouldn't have been necessary. But I think especially for the way you stream, we're in a good place letting the GPU do it. Yeah, dude. See these graphics here, man? You know, we thought we were reading like CPU, it's good for like flashing, certain flashing colors. I don't know, dude. It's weird. Evidently, whoever that was, that literature wasn't on point or anything. Okay, so holy crap! I think I'm about to get a beer. Like, this is ridiculous, dude. Y'all don't understand. Okay, I think y'all do understand because y'all been on the journey with me of frustration. But dude, I feel like the guy, the leader of the dead traitor army. Okay, you know what I'm talking about, from Lord of the Rings, when Aragorn's like, I consider your oaths fulfilled, and he's just like, that's the way I feel right now. Okay, it's wonderful. Alright, 5 minutes and 44 seconds until a new day begins. A new day begins, maybe, possibly, just possibly, a little bit of volatility, but probably not. But we'll watch, we'll wait and see, okay? Love it, man. Freaking love this book, y'all. Love it. Hold on. Getting the spear. Yeah, David, the audio we're talking about is the Mario power up when someone tips or subs, okay? That's too loud. Everything else is good. So Diego, another lower high incoming, Diego, man. For sure, man. What you talking about though? In the stock market, maybe. Mineral water is great too. Yeah, right. Let's try it, dude. Let's try some lemonade cooling system. Okay, my IT guy says he's not going to be responsible for putting together a mineral oil rig for you. Yeah, but you weren't responsible for this one either, because like whatever happened, you weren't going to be held liable. So it's whatever, dude. Okay. We're going to do it though, probably, maybe. I don't know. Water cooling for people like you, Mobius, who are extreme overclockers running at 4.9 gigahertz. Whoop, does that thing come supercharged? Skyward, I'll never push that computer enough to justify water cooling. Well, I gave Threadripper a run for its money, didn't I? Yeah, I sure did. It couldn't handle it. It could not handle the encoding of this stream. So get wrecked, AMD. Mobius says, how could you not benefit from water cooling? It's MFN 24 core. Yeah, but I think Skyward's saying I'm never going to utilize those 24 cores, right? Yeah, how's the temperature meter looking now? I don't know. Let's open it up, dude. I don't even know if I might have closed it out because I was. Just look, man. Dude, this is a new PC testing stream. Okay. Should pop up soon. Alright. Loading cam. You can't see it right now. Oh, dude, I love it, man. I freaking love it. Look at this. The GPU, 27%. Remember this thing was sitting at like 50% the whole time, 50, 60, 70 sometimes. It was hitting 80s yesterday. All right, CPU's just doing fine now. Okay, and this is what's amazing. The SLI. Wow. Fantastic. This thing off here. What's my take on XRP? Short term, up or down? Well, Patrick, man, the fact that we got that explosion up to around 32 cents is extremely good for XRP. Okay, and you know, I just happen to have it. I just happen to have it on my other very fast screen. Here it is. Okay, huge pop of the upside. That's wonderful, man. That's wonderful. You got back inside the upsloping support. You double bottomed off of the December 15th low. This is great, dude. This is great. This is exactly what you had to have. We were talking about it had to happen. And here it is. Okay, so even we could sell all the way off back to 30 cents just to retest. As long as you stay above this upsloping support, everything's going to be fine for now, all right? But yeah, that log scale chart is super scary, man. But for now, look, you can see here we are, man. Just at the bottom, could be a nice big double bottom, even atom double bottom, maybe. Either way, and the parameters of the downsloping channel, it's just downsloping now. But hey, the lower lows, no more higher lows inside this channel. That's great, man. That's great. So we survived. Hold on. Your life.
Can you look at XRP and Slim, my lord?
Kingsman, thanks for the 333. Dude, I already read your mind, dude. Alright, here's XRP, Kangs. So, yeah, dude. I don't know, you didn't have any kind of bullish divergence or any. Maybe you had a little bit. Let's zoom in some again. I guess from like this low to this low, yeah, but not from this low to this low, right? But from the parameters, like this, size of the pattern where the huge impulse started, it was lower levels of negative momentum, but kind of hard to signify, I guess, right? You just plot here to here, but critical support, you know, that's wonderful, man. Okay, so someone's propping the price up. It just fell a little bit lower to stop a lot of people out, including me, and then bounce. All right, so whatever, man, it happens. Welcome to trading. So, all right, let's see if we can stay inside 30 cents. Don't fall below 30 cents again, okay? We'll be good for now. 50 XRP. Oh man, I don't know. 23.6% retrace. That's where we are. Copy for crypto. Irwin copy for crypto. 236 retrace. All right, so maybe we'll solve a little bit. Maybe we can get another bump. But the 382 from your major high to low is going to put you at 35.5 cents if we could ever get there. It's going to be tough. That downsloping resistance has been very well respected. Oh my God. So that's it, man. Okay. Fib 236. Go. Actually, let me Huh. Oh my God. Would you look at this? Look how we pivoted off that bottom trend line so well on Tesla. Can't even make it up. What is that, man? What are you talking about? Alright, let's zoom out if you want to see it. Nice historical uptrend, right? Beautiful, going back to 2016. And yeah, this area, okay, we're not gonna do anything. We're leaving it alone, and it's served us well because like this was Elon getting high, Elon tweeting weird stuff. Okay, both times. Nice run up, ascending running wedge, you know, dumped again. Then we had some of that bullish divergence, didn't we? On both oscillators on the 4 hour. Oh no, daily for that matter. Just a little bit. Okay, so rallying now, but not sure, you know, how much this is really going to do for us. Okay, for now, not making higher highs yet. I mean, making higher lows though. That's wonderful. You know something. Look at it. Look, you've got this very large pattern. Okay, right angled and ascending broadening formation. Right angled and descending broadening formation. Excuse me. Something you could think about it kind of like a or an ascending triangle of some sort. An axis. Well, the fact that we bounced, right? Would you call it some sort of inverse head and shoulders potentially? I mean, look, you got a lows here, lower lows, now making higher lows than your previous lows. So, if anything, if it was to be that, you got a neckline up here. A neckline that's kind of down sloping. Longest date, December 10th, right? Down sloping. So, if we rallied all the way up and to break that, it could be tremendous, all right? It could be tremendous. Bouncing off the bottom trend line of the historical uptrend that's again stems back to 2014, excuse me, 2014, but the support goes back to 2016, February. All right. Beautiful. $60 Celsius is high as F for 25%. Okay, what should I do, Mobius, man? Tell me what I should do, man. Get wrecked, fried ship. Just tell me what I need to do. Tell me what David needs to do. I think he's watching right now. What? Music's too good, Christian? Oh my God. Okay, it's down a little bit more. Please buy 1 billion XRP, Mr. Musk. Yeah, we'll do it again.
Is that a joint?
No, I can fix the music. I just can't fix the power up. I can definitely fix the music. And I just fixed it. It should be down even more now. Daily close above the previous day opening. price at Bitcoin? What's your strategy at this point? Confirmation look like? I'm just waiting, Diego, man. Got my entry at 33.42 with other patrons. And now we wait. Wait for the 382, 618, 1272. That's it. XRP moving? I mean, a little bit. Not, yeah, I mean, somewhat. All right, new daily. Let's go back to Bitcoin because we're just going to do it real quick. Local on the lates. Let's look at this. Start with the daily, I guess, right? Beautiful pattern, y'all. Beautiful. Dude, you got a bullish Gartley that has developed since December 15th. We're talking 5 weeks, right? No, it's like 6 week long pattern developed. 78.6% bullish engulfing candle just occurred. We just got a bullish engulfing, all right? So, that's it, man. Nice little close. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for, man. It's just perfect, isn't it? Now, of course, you know, it could eventually just sell off again, but man, that's great, dude. That's great that we hit our entry. Like, dude, were we off how much? $3? $4? Can't remember. Yeah, we were off like literally like $4 to $5. Okay. No, I mean, like, literally it fell below our entry by like $5, which is fine, which is good, okay? So, and then bounced, and then just bullishly engulfed. And that's it now. Okay, so now we're waiting. Four hours, some bullish divergence on the RSI, it looks like, okay? Beautiful, man. Now we broke above the 20 MA, but you know, whatever. Whatever for now. This thing's making me itch, dude. Only have a 128mm radiator, not enough. Are you talking about need like 2 fans or something on the NZXT? I don't know. David knows what you're talking about. 500 millimeter fan would be so much better, or 600. What are y'all talking about? Yeah. Okay, so you're saying my radiator, it's a single, so I should get a double, right? If I got a double, it would be so aesthetically pleasing. That was what we were thinking about doing anyway. Because it's kind of uneven. Like, look, if you go to, let me see here. Let me just go to starting soon real quick. If you look up, you can see there's the one fan that's NZXT, and this one's off. If I got a radiator with 2 fans, I could then get the 140mm fans and have them both like uniform, and it would look much more even, and it would be way more RGB. It would look extremely cool, man, right? So if that's what you're talking about, yeah, I get a radiator that is larger, okay, with 2 fans. Sweet. I don't know if that's what you are talking about. Oh, the fan size matters, radiator. Yeah, but the radiator size, like, will give you 2 fans versus 1. 4,100 subs, is that a joint? I'm sorry, Wonderful Briggs. No, we're at 4,099. All right. Don't hold your breath, dude. It might take us 10 hours to get 1 sub. Seriously. Nice, Billy, man. Congratulations on your profit, dude. Congrats. Whew. Anyway, no, look, XRP fans, the only reason you're getting a chance to bump the upside is because Bitcoin isn't dumping. Volatility's low. All right, you're hoping as an XRP fan that this bullish Gartley pattern plays out. We talked about. This is Gandalf Helm's Deep, the coming of the 5th day or something. All right, the 1414 was it, dude. Smitty, Simi, I don't think XRP is in a bull flag. It's impulsed up and now it's up sloping. Bull flags are down sloping in consolidation. When you have a bull flag, you contrast the impulse. Okay, we are going with the impulse, inverse contrasting, whatever. Yeah, it's gonna be close. Maybe there's a couple chords up there. The cable management, I think I can get them out of the way. Visualized. It looks like we could probably make it work. So, big one going up, Christian. Yeah, it's been going up since 33.42. So we're right around $100 up from the entry. Wait, that block don't work. Scratch that, Mobius. What you talking about, dude? How big is the chance? Harmonics have very high success rates. Okay, when they're completely matured. So I feel like there's a decent chance. I don't care if it works or not. If it plays out, it plays out. If it fails, it fails. It gets stopped out, I'll lose. I don't care. I don't lose much, right? But I know there's a lower risk, high reward opportunity here on this Gartley. Okay, so. Okay, Mobius, I'm going to click that. Risky click of the day from Mobius, man. Just kidding. Let's see. Threadripper edition. What is this? Whoa, dude. What is that? A water block? Holy crap, it's not very expensive either. What the? Are you kidding me? Oh my god, dude. David, can you look in your comments and click on that link that Mobius clicked and see if this is something that I should buy? I can buy it right now if you want. Or if I should, or if I could, or if it'll help with cooling my block. That's ballin', dude. Super ballin'. It looks so sleek too. Would I have to get rid of the NZXT if I did that though? Might be screwed there. Stay on target. Stay on target. William Battlesman. Target. Oh, there's not just one target. Wonderful Breaksman. There's not just one. All right. So with our mental image, we know the 1414 was hit. We are Kangs at least on an entry. But now we would fib from your high to low. Coinbase. All right. This is the way it's going to look. From the entry. First target, 36.31. Second target, 38.16. And third target that we might